If you have thought about having eye lifting surgery just because it is a trend and you do not have any health issues when it comes to your eyes, then let me change your mind with 2 mind-blowing tools that will give you those lifted Bella Hadid eyes in just a few minutes. Welcome to my channel, I am Haja, and in today's video I want you to first admire your natural beautiful eyes no matter what shape, size, and color. Now let's get started. So our first tool is this eye lifting strap, which lifts both eyes and hides perfectly under the hair. Our second tool is an eyelid tape, which gives us more lid space for easier makeup application, especially on hooded eyes. Please note that these tools are not sponsored or gifted. I just purchased them out of curiosity. In the last step of this video, we apply a festive lifting eye makeup to enhance the eyes further. Without further ado, let's begin. Before we get started with the makeup, I first use the eye lifting strap and use the clips on both sides to pin it up to my hair next to my temples. You can adjust the tightness just like you would with your bra on. Sorry, it's the only method that came to my mind. But be cautious not to go too tight since it will feel uncomfortable after an hour or so. Et voila, this is how both eyes and brows are lifted. Next, we apply the eyelid tape tool. Here, we first clean our lid from oil and dust and then remove the tape with a tweezer from the foil and apply it right on top of the crease fold of our eye. With the plastic fork, we gently push the tape onto our skin. In case you're interested in a full detailed tutorial about the eyelid tape application, I will link the tutorial down below. Finally, we're ready to apply our eye makeup, where we use the smoked out winged eyeliner technique to enhance the eyes further with makeup on. First, we prepare our eyelid canvas by applying concealer onto our lid. Important note here is to dab the product with the brush instead of sweeping, because that might remove the ends of our eyelid tape easily. Then we set our creamy concealer on the lid with setting powder to ensure no concealer creasing into eyelid folds. Now we apply our first transition shade from the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette called Serenity with our classic fluffy blending brush. We place the brush on the outer edge of the eye on top of the outer upper lash line and create the shadows of our upcoming eyeliner by blending outwards towards the temples. If you have hooded eyes like me, keep your eyes open and relaxed while blending and applying any product. Next, we choose the purple shade Amethyst from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette to deepen the eyeshadow intensity further. We use our same fluffy blending brush and go on top of the shade Serenity and blend outwards evenly. Then we grab our black eyeliner by Maybelline called Lasting Drama in waterproof and apply it on open, relaxed eyes. I first create the wing by extending my upper lash line and then create a triangle back to the upper lash line and fill it in. Thanks to the eye lifting strap and eyelid tape, I have more lid space on open eyes. That is why it is so much easier to apply an even, flawless eyeliner. Let me know whether you noticed this small difference in the comment section. It is alright if the eyeliner is not perfectly straight, because we want to go over it with black eyeshadow and a petite blending brush to smudge it and make it look smoky. It is important to build up the intensity of the black eyeshadow in a controlled manner. We now also go over the rest of the upper lash line with the black eyeshadow to complete the smoked out eyeliner look. Once that is done, we blend gently with our fluffy blending brush on top of our eyeliner. You have the option to work with matte eyeshadows for the mobile lid or just leave it without any eyeshadow on. I wanted to make it look festive because we have many celebrations going on like Christmas and New Year Eve, for example, so I opted for the eyeshadow shade Energized from the Rose Quartz palette and apply it with a flat dense brush around my tear duct for a pop-up highlighter. Then I switched to the shade Blissful and applied on my whole mobile lid with my fingers to have a more pigmented look. Next, I make the look more sultry by using a creamy kohl liner by L'Oreal called Le Kohl in Midnight Black. I line my whole waterline with it. The kohl liner automatically transforms on my lower lash line. I smudge it with a brush and use the purple shade Amethyst from the Desert Dusk palette on top to give it a nice smoky transition. Keep in mind to skip this step if you have small eyes. Use colorful or bright colors instead. Now on to the last few steps. We apply mascara from Marc Jacobs all over our lashes. 2 coats, each eye is enough. Meanwhile, our trimmed false lashes from the brand Kiss called Foam Ink Lashes in the design Little Black Dress have glue on them and are left to get tacky. Once the false lashes are ready, we place them on the outer half of the eye. Then we press the natural and false lashes together for a nice blended look. When using trimmed lashes, you give the eyes a cat eye effect since the dense lashes on the outer half automatically lift the eyes. Another plus is that the falsies will not start to peel off on the ends, which make them comfortable to wear. In the last step, we color correct our under eye circles with a peachy shade concealer and go on top with our concealer by Maybelline. On top, we apply setting powder by Laura Mercier. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this and finally know how to enhance your eyes perfectly without any surgery. What are your thoughts on the tools? Have you tried them out already or are they not interesting enough? Let me know in the comment section. By the way, I have linked down the tools I use down below in the description box. I would kindly remind you to hit the like and subscribe button to support me as a content creator. See you in next week's video.